today's world, children don't always get the opportunity to be really connected with nature. At Kids Play, our vision and values are based around nature-based play. With free flow access into our garden areas, it provides endless opportunities for children to develop curiosity for our natural world. Along with the health benefits of being active outside, a rich natural environment provides opportunities to stimulate all of your senses, from tasting vegetables we have grown, to smelling the flowers and herbs, to feeling the rain on our faces. At Kids Play, we believe learning should be an adventure. In our forest school sessions, we climb trees and build dens, helping children to learn life skills and building confidence and self-esteem. We build campfires and provide opportunities to use tools, helping children to develop an understanding of safety and managing their own risks. We have animals in our settings too, from guinea pigs and rabbits to our farm-based settings that have a variety of animals. Children learn how to look after them and care for them, giving them a sense of responsibility and helping them to learn appreciation for living things and our environment. Just as importantly, we give children time to relax, listen to the sounds of nature and develop a sense of calmness.